Hey guys, it's Ashlyn. Excuse the lighting. So the lighting is like not great right now because it's like almost 7 o'clock, but I really want to film this video, so I'm going to go ahead and film this video because I'm not going to wait until tomorrow for the lighting to get better to make this video. So we're just gonna do it now. Also, yes, those are Sour Patch Kids on my bed, but it's fine. Perfect. Okay, so this is a really exciting video because I have been wanting to do this video and get this for a year and a half now. Ever since I started my YouTube channel, I've wanted a camera. And I went from using my sister's iPhone 5 to my iPhone 6 with 16 gigabytes. Now I have the iPhone X with 256 gigabytes, but I feel like it's just time to upgrade for something better. So I got the Canon G7X Mark II. This is just crazy, honestly. I don't know how I deserve this, but with the help of you guys, I was able to get this, and I'm so beyond excited because the quality of my videos are about to be so much better. Because the back camera on the iPhone X is really good, but I cannot see what I'm doing. So I've been having to use the front camera, and I have to like look right here, and then the quality isn't that great. So I got this. Okay, so let's just get started because it took all I had to not open it in the car. So, oh gosh, I don't know what's wrong with this lighting, but okay, so this is what it looks like. Just says Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. If you don't know anything about cameras, I don't really either. So this is gonna be a journey, but pretty much this is a super duper popular camera for people that like vlog or that just don't want a DSLR camera, which is like the T6i Canon camera, you know, stuff like that. I didn't really want a huge camera. I mean, I wouldn't be mad if I had it, but this is just great because I can like go places with it, and it would just be easy to like carry around, and it's also super good quality. So let's get to opening it. So I didn't get like the creator kit because the only other thing that was in it besides what is in here was a tripod. You'll see what's in here, but the only other thing was a tripod, and it was like $50 more or something like that. Yeah, $50 more, which I already have a tripod. I literally have like 3 tripods, which I hope will work with it. If not, I'll just get a tripod off Amazon for under $50. So I just got just the camera. Okay, oh my gosh, this is so crazy. Okay, so it comes with a limited warranty thing. I didn't get a warranty on it, so I have to be really careful with this, but I'm trusting myself. And then it comes with this. You can get, there's something with online photo album. Not a clue what this is, but cool. Just like, oh my gosh. Okay, that's, okay, we're good. On this side is the wrist strap. It comes with a wrist strap, which is great because it's great. It's just a good thing to have because, again, I don't really trust myself just to be carrying it on its own, especially if I'm like vlogging in public. I need a wrist strap. So this is very handy. And then it comes with the charger, I'm guessing? Yeah, battery charger. And then some safety thing for it. The battery. So I literally know nothing about camera batteries and stuff like that, or like how to use them. So again, it'll be a journey, but this is a very good thing to have because you need that. The last thing in this is the camera itself. So literally, I'm trying to like control myself right now because this is actually crazy that I'm holding a camera because I did not think I was gonna get this today. I just pressed a button. Whoa. You know what I just realized? I thought this came with an SD card because that's what it said it came with. But it's not, there's not one in here. That kind of really sucks because I don't know how I'm going to record anything with it. You know, that's just what I needed. Yeah, that's really just cool. Now what? Nope. Okay, but there's a battery, so I don't know if this battery is charged, but I guess we will see. Oh, we do have like SD cards upstairs, So I might just grab one of those, but I don't know if it will work. Okay, how do you do this? Okay, got it. Cool. Okay. That was pretty easy, I think. Still kind of struggling. Okay, time to read the user manual. I'll be right back. Got it. I was facing it the wrong way. So that's cool. Okay, I don't know if it's charged or not, but we're just gonna hope that it is. But I can't record anything because there's not an SD card in this. So I definitely should have got one while I was at Best Buy, but I didn't because I thought there was one. So, whoa. Okay, now I got to like set the date and time. So like, this is what's happening right now. I'll like do a time lapse of me like trying to get this figured out. Whoa, why is there so many? 9, what's the date? 29th. 2018. I gotta check the time. What time zone am I in? We'll just go with that. Okay, so there's no memory card in it. This is such good quality. Holy moly. This is so cool. That's so good. Holy crap. I just did something. I wish I could do like a side-by-side comparison, but I can't right now. So let me go try to find one of those maybe. That'd probably be a good idea because I need to do like a side-by-side comparison. Okay, let me go try to find an SD card. I'll be back. Okay, so we had to relocate because it was getting really dark outside and I had my blinds open and yeah. Also, I just got these lights, so they're pretty cool, right? Okay, I found 2 SD cards and I don't know if either of them will work because they're both 32 gigabytes and they might be full, but we're gonna find out. It works. Holy moly. You can see everything. Oh, this is about to die. So I need to go ahead and like get this going. Oh my gosh, this is flashing and I can't get this to work and like stand up, but oh, I can literally put it on my tripod. I literally have so much just footage of me just concentrating on this camera, but I think that's fine. Yes, it works. Am I cool yet? I think so. Alrighty, now, tripod, don't fall over, please. That would not be good. Okay, so this is how it's set up right now. Okay, so I'm gonna start recording. Oh, I just took a picture. How do I record? Crap, I literally don't know. Oh, I just took another picture. I just took another picture and this just died. I will be back when this charges, which that might be hours, but we'll do this. Okay, so on here, it like, that's really handy because it shows if it'll focus. That'd be a really good idea if it focused. It says charge and then full, so that's perfect because then you know exactly when it is done. So now we just wait. Okay, update, it's been like 30 minutes. Obviously it's not charged yet. I'm eating caramel apple, but I just Googled how long it takes for a charger to a battery to recharge. And it says about 2 hours, so we're just gonna wait. It's all right. Guys, all right, 2 hours later, it's charged. It's time to put it in the camera. I just made salted caramel hot chocolate. It smells so good. Yes. I'm gonna put it back on the tripod though. I'm gonna go ahead and, how do I do a video? I literally took another picture. Oh my gosh. Hold up. Let me Google how to record a video. How to record a video on Canon G7X Mark II. Canon knowledge base, shooting movies. All right, that should be right. I'm so confused. You can do a fisheye effect? Look what you can do. Oh my gosh, I love this. Wait, there's more. Toy camera effect. That actually I love. Wait, you guys can't even see this. I just want regular. Okay, let me get this. Guys, I think I'm actually the dumbest person. There's literally a recording button. Like on the back of here. That's the recording button, I'm pretty sure. Let's see if this works. Hey guys. This is so weird. Whoa. Okay. This is the first video I'm recording on this. And I'm recording on here too. This is really weird. The quality is so good. Wow. Okay, so I'm recording on my phone too, so you can get like the different qualities. And the G7X is definitely better quality by far. It's like autofocusing on my face, which I think is good, but I don't know. Okay, so let's just try to let's just do some comparing. First, I'm gonna compare like how to like focus this on my phone versus how it would focus on the G7X. On my phone, it does like no focusing. You can barely read anything on it. But then on the G7X, you can actually read what it is. Whoa! I'm zooming it in. Oh my gosh, it's such good quality. Whoa. That's so cool. Okay, we're gonna zoom back out. That's so cool. Okay. I don't even know what to talk about. Okay, so next we're gonna focus the Hoola bronzer. On the phone, there's like no focus on the front camera, but then on here, oh my gosh, it is so good and like crisp and clear. Okay, my nails look so bad, but like, dang, that is so good. Okay, what other things do I do? The audio quality, so like here's the audio quality on my phone versus audio quality on the G7X. It's not like a Rode microphone or anything, so I don't know. I mean, it's not like probably the greatest, but hopefully it is better on the G7X versus my phone, but I don't really know. So yeah, I am so happy with my purchase. Also, if you're wondering, it's been 2 hours since I've charged the battery on here, so I changed into PJ pants if you wanted to know that. Oh wow, you can't even see my lights. Now you can see. But yeah, I just want to do like a little comparison video. But I'm so glad that I got the G7X. I think it's definitely worth the purchase. I don't know, what else should I do? Like, should I do anything else? See, like on here, there's nothing, but then on here, see the focus. Whoa, that is so good. I love like, oh my gosh, I love that so much. Okay, let's do some zoom. Okay, so this is as far as it zooms in. Wow, we don't need to see that. Let's look at my eye. You can zoom in even more. Whoa! This mascara, I don't know how I feel about it. Okay, that's way too close. We're gonna zoom back out. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to start using this camera. Okay, I need to end the video on my phone. Okay, so I ended the video on my phone, but now I can do like, if I want to do like a Q&A, which actually I posted a Q&A video, or not a Q&A video, I posted a Q&A post on my makeup account. So yeah, I've been getting lots of questions on there. So I'm gonna be doing like a Q&A video on my YouTube account. I'm on this channel. I don't know when, but I'm going to, and then I can actually look at my phone while I'm videoing. So that's gonna be really cool. Alright, anyways, that's pretty much all I wanted to do in this. That is so good. I'm kind of just letting this go on. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go now. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys liked it, or if you like the quality of this so much better, like me, then make sure to give it a thumbs up, and yeah, make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. How do you turn this off?